something. But anyway, I don't know what kind of fun we're going to get into. I am in Oklahoma City, and I almost can't film with the radar going so crazy, but I'm in Oklahoma City, and we are headed to New Kids on the Block. That's where Sally and Emma are going, but I might try to hook up with some car guys while we're down here. I guess we'll just have to see if we meet some people. But in the meantime, I'm gonna try to see if maybe I can avoid the po-po. I think he's slowly getting further away from us. He's taking that exit. He gone. Wow, that was like the longest, I think, in a long, long time that I've just rolled right next to a po-po. I waved at him, so he didn't light me up or anything. Oh my gosh! Chirp, chirp, chirp! Okay, Emma like has the sounds memorized, don't you? She knows like the minute it goes whoop, whoop. How does it go?
Well, when you get in the car, it says something.
Yeah, it
goes,
says K40 scan active. So, well, we're gonna exit downtown. We will be checking out New Kids on the Block. Well, I won't be, but they will. And then maybe I'll go find some supercars tonight. Stick around, maybe you'll see. All right, we ditched OKC and drove home just in time to see Jordan. Oh, that thing's fast. We gotta get around here. Gotta get around here and see the jackassery. Here we go. Okay. Now, guessing he's gonna try and jump something. Good thing that thing's enclosed, because there would be mud everywhere. Did you guys drive this today? I won't start. Yeah. I hope he doesn't roll it. Oh my God. That thing sprayed all the way up here. I got mud everywhere. Mud on my hand. Mud on my arm, watch, shirt, shoes. I'm standing back this time. All right, he's getting bold. This is his third go. We got mud. Whoa. That thing is 1,000 cc's. Throwing mud all over me. Mud on my can, mud everywhere. I can just feel it. It's starting to hit. Oh God. Dear God. Right. We gotta get this sucker running.
I think you fixed it.
It just, you think it has some mud in it or something?
I think it got water.
It was whining.
Dude, we had water up to here today.
Really?
Uh-huh. I'm gonna go get the jump box. He's like, we just get
that
car out. Come on, we gotta jump that car.
We gotta get the Subaru going.
Hold on, let me give it a little love tap.
Give it another love tap. Oh my God, he kicked it. Whoa, hey! Hey, hey, hey! Don't
No, no!
Oh my God, not smart.
No.
If it breaks, your leg is going through the glass, and
Hold
we're
on,
going
you know
to
who
the
loves this car?
No! Oh my God, he missed. The rock missed.
That's good. Bang, bang.
Everybody hide. They've lost their minds. Okay, hold on. Let me get over here. Let me get over here and I'll film you.
Yo,
All right, here we go.
I gotta give your baby a little love tap.
Dang. Dang.
It's our whip.
Oh, here it goes. Oh, snap! One rock to the window does it.
Hey, mirror, what?
Hey, this has the dual overhead cam.
The exhaust, they fell off. Oh, the porta potty, it's over here. Go your way. Right there.
Dude, we can spear it.
Can we get in this side? No.
Let's spear this thing.
Yeah. There's your porta potty.
Hey. Justin, hop in the porta potty and then we promise we'll let you out.
Are you insane? They told me to get in the porta potty and they let me out.
That's locked, bro.
Shouldn't be.
It's not locked. Okay, now I know my new way in. That's my new backup to the way in. Since someone threw my freaking knife away. All right, we're getting the jump box. We're getting that thing going. We'll be back. It's right here. Okay, we know it's working now because the windshield wipers came on. All right, hey, can we get the sun visor in there? Here we go.
Justin!
Oh yeah! It's running now.
Be running. I'm about to take it for a rip.
The Subaru Chronicles. Bonnet Deuce. God, there's mud everywhere. It's so nasty out here today. I'm gonna have to like try to not get my brand new shoes all nasty, but who cares? We'll buy some new ones. All right, here you go.
Ready, I'll put on a little show.
He's got a good motor. We just crashed him. It was.
He's gonna sit on
It
the
was
visor.
fine until I flipped it.
He's
It
sitting
was
on
a
the
normal
visor.
car.
Oh, hold on. Let's get the hood down. There we go.
Get her going, Big Daddy.
Get her going, Big Daddy. Every window busted out.
Oh God.
What the hell you doing?
Oh, Abby. What is this?
Blue.
It died?
Yeah. I'll call you back in a second.
It died just before he hit the building.
It died?
Probably because it got all the water in there. Just try to restart it. Oh, we need a jump box again. We'll be back. Back up and running.
Give it gas.
Do you think?
Take a bit. I already had enough fun.
It's all right. I already had enough fun, he said.
You're in the mud on your Yeezys.
He's in the mud in his Yeezys. Hey, ain't nothing that Snap-on can't fix. Let's get her back going. Come on, boys.
It's gonna be really bad that you're standing right here. Jordan, you left your snap on.
We're using it right now. Oh, you might as well just rip the bumper.
No, leave the bumper. We want it to come off in action.
Your butt is all muddy.
It's hardly noticeable. It just looks like you pooped. Nothing out of the ordinary.
I can't wait, you're getting out of Lambo.
Nothing to see here. Just another Harris poo-poo in the pants.
Can't wait to get in the Lambo.
Oh yeah, no kidding. The Harris brothers pooping in their poo-poos.
No,
Did you get it started?
Junior and Justonian.
We're really scared right now. I don't want my camera to get ruined. Look, there's mud everywhere. I got mud all over my shoes, mud everywhere. All right, what are you guys gonna do now?
I'm driving.
Okay, now we have finally someone who's not like half as sane as you, or half as insane. Are you getting in? I wouldn't. He got me to do Dukes of Hazzard on the other side of that. I think today this car ends. He's going all the way around. Right here. Come on, baby!
Come on, baby!
Got this!
Should we go push him with the razor?
No. What you need to do now is get the cat, and we need to smash it.
Alright.
Jordan, we need to get the cat and smash it. Oh, get the bobcat and let's smash it. He's going, he's got it. Go, baby, go! Yeah, the bumper's coming off. The exhaust is just rubbing into the dirt. Oh, yes! You almost got it. No, you got it.
It says the code.
There's a code right there.
It says the code. He said it says it.
He's about to make it down. Yeah! Yeah! That bumper's barely hanging on, baby. Oh my God. Did it die again? This thing won't stay running. All right, game on. I think something bad is about to happen. Follow me, Poppy. We're gonna go over here and find us a Mazda. Formerly a Mazda. It's gonna be called a.
Looks like it's burning.
It's gonna be called a Smashta when he gets done with it. It's for the views. It's all for the views. I have no idea what he plans to do. I have no idea. He's turning it. He's turning it. Hey, are we gonna make it go over? We don't really know what he's about to do. It's just all in his own mind right now. He's turning it or something. Oh yeah! Yeah, baby. Get a driver in here. Oh, it's going now! Oh yeah, it's time to go Mutt Donovan Jr. Yeah! This is awesomely slow. that, you move the car. Oh, he's getting out while it's moving.
Hold on.
That's it right there, baby. Oh God! Oh my God! Somebody get in it! Oh! Oh snap! Okay. I think it's about to get nasty. This thing is destroyed. I really don't know what else is going to happen today, but in case this is the end, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and drop a like. We'll be back. See you in the next video.
Okay.